Bath time. Oh yeah, those two already had their bath. Yep. They're just finishing the cleaning. Oh, what? Hey, get out at the end there. Jethro, that's why there's a rock in there. Use the rock. There you go. And now you can just climb out. There. Very good. Yes, look at you. Aren't you a pretty duck? A little problem balancing at times, don't you, when you're bending down like that? You have a little balancing problem. Leroy says, I'll stay in the water a little longer, thank you. Okay, Jethro. First thing they want to do in the morning is get in the water. It's where the phrase comes from. If somebody takes to it like ducks take to water. Oh, Leroy's just having a fun time. Yes, he is. You're having fun, Leroy. Huh? Are you having some fun? Oh, yeah, and then of course there's the fake ducks. Which ones are the real ones? Which ones are the fake ones? Well, Leroy, get more room in the pool by yourself too, don't ya? Is it time to get out now? Yep, I guess so. Okay. You guys are so cute. Yes, you are.